Envato Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'm reviewing the Envato Affiliate Program based on my personal experience. If you're interested, you can find the links to the products and the program in the description below. Envato is a marketplace that's well known for its creative assets, offering everything from WordPress themes and graphic design templates to stock photos, audio, and even 3D models. The Envato Affiliate Program allows you to promote these products and earn a commission on sales. One of the biggest draws of this affiliate program is the variety of digital products available for promotion. Whether you're in the blogging, web design, or digital marketing niche, you'll find a wide range of products that your audience will find valuable. From the popular Envato Elements subscription service, which gives users access to unlimited downloads of assets, to individual product purchases, there are plenty of opportunities to earn commissions. You can earn up to 30% commission per sale, depending on the type of product and the specific offer. The Envato Affiliate Program is designed for a variety of creators, whether you're a content creator, blogger, YouTuber, or online course creator. The program provides banners, links, and even custom landing pages to help affiliates market products effectively. It's also very beginner-friendly, so even if you're new to affiliate marketing, you'll find the tools and resources easy to navigate. One feature I personally like is the cookie duration, which is 30 days. This means that if someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase within 30 days, you'll earn a commission, giving you an extended chance to get rewarded for your referral. They also have a real-time reporting dashboard to track your sales and commissions, which makes it simple to see how well your efforts are performing. In conclusion, the Envato Affiliate Program is a great choice for anyone looking to promote high-quality digital products and earn commissions. With competitive commissions, a wide variety of products, and helpful resources for affiliates, it's definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get started.